Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with
Kaya.
Kaya.
Cooking with Kaya. Hold on, I got one. On your screen is Darvell. Hold on. What's up, everybody? Y'all seen the video? The video is crazy. Y'all seen the video title? Y'all know what this is about. Guy, I showed y'all women the blueprint. Literally, it's y'all are saying on Twitter and on social media, is it that easy? It is. Like, I get it, equality. Oh, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, but why not do something for your partner that partner would really enjoy? Make their life easier, and you don't even mind to do it, because you're making that person more happy. And that's what cooking is doing for men. A lot of the men, and mind you, some men love to cook. So ladies, if you find a man that loves to cook, you won. Most men don't. Most men feel like, hey, it's not really worth my time. I can do something else. I don't enjoy doing it. It's probably gonna taste like ass at the same time. So you as a lady, so as his woman, you can literally put that, lift that weight off his shoulder and fill his belly, and he is happy as hell. He's gonna be so happy. Like, a man is simple. A man literally wants a couple of things: his belly filled, a peace of mind. And for most men, that's probably it. Like, they don't really need a lot more. Like, of course, I would like somebody that I can have a conversation with, that I can vibe with, can have fun with. Some men don't even want that. They just want, like, yo, I just want peace and quiet and food, and it's that. So if you don't bring one of the essentials, of course it's gonna get difficult. It's gonna be more difficult. It's gonna be harder. Ladies, don't you want to make your man happy? Your potential husband, potential boyfriend. Don't you want to make them happy? Don't you want them to be like, "Woo, baby, that, woo, you made this, woo. It's crazy. It's better than my mama's food." How would that make you feel if he would say something like that? I'd assume good. Just like for us men, if we can provide for our family, we can give our woman what she wants. We can take our woman to places, make her experience new things, take care of the family. That's what is fulfilling for us. That's why we work. That's why we work hard. And these, in the hour, maybe 2 hours that you put into cooking as a man, is wasted hours for you. You think I can use my hours better to do something more productive. So now you're beefing about, I don't want to cook food, we should do 50-50. Well, for a lot of the men, and mind you, this is not everybody, but for most men, it's just not really worth the time and effort. But if the woman would do it, it would just be like, boom, easy, better. Most men, if they could, they just rather work and let the woman be home and take care of the children and the house. That's the ideal situation. Everything is more expensive these days, so that's not really possible, right? But there's certain roles, certain things still that I believe work better for certain sexes. I think that's better if the person that, I think that if the woman cooks, it's better in my life and for most men's life. Again, some men cook, some men like to cook, some men like to do 50-50. Most men, not really. I would assume as a woman that you want a strong, healthy man to take care of you and your family as well. So if you don't want to eat at McDonald's or outside the whole day, because that's a waste of money that could be going to the family, aka you as well. And it's a waste of nutrition, because the nutrition his ass is going to be in his body. He's going to get fat, unattractive to you. The dynamic is going to go down, all because you don't want to cook for your man. Cook for your man. Like, your man is willing to die for you. Like, in my eyes, like, you're supposed to, like, the woman you decide to be with and eventually get a child with, you should be willing to die for that person. How that person not gonna make you a sandwich if you ask make me a sandwich? How that person not gonna make you happy by filling your stomach, by doing it, by cooking? Like, it made no sense to me. And look, I don't advocate cheating, like, at all. I don't. The thing is, though, if he's not getting it at home, if his food is not getting filled, and a man has like two stomachs, he got a stomach here and he got a stomach there, and the second one is lust, right? Shit, if the lady is not, if the lady at home is not giving it to him, he's gonna find it somewhere else, and then come back home when his belly is full. Same for the other one. Shit, if you're not cooking for him like shit, and there's gonna be a side piece that does plus the cooking plus the lust to fill his other stomach, he gonna go over there more often, and then he gonna cheat. That's how it go. But if you do everything you need to do as a woman, and it's not much, he ain't gonna go nowhere, cause you know where the best place is. But again, a lot of this shit is like ego. I don't know if it's still recording, but a lot of this shit is ego. Not wanting to do certain stuff for your man, thinking, oh, I shouldn't be doing this. It's 2024. You should want to make your partner as happy as possible by the best of your ability and capability. And one of the easiest and most effective ways is just cooking for your man. It's literally just cook for that nigga, and he's gonna be so happy. He gonna be to his homeboys like, yo, hey, my nigga, my girl that I got right now, she be cooking. I ain't even out. I ain't eating outside, bro. Y'all should come with me. She gonna cook for all of us. Now you boom, now you're in the circle automatically. Now you know what type of people you hang with. Now you can see him in his true nature. Now you can see what type of man he truly is. Cause shit, all because you feel his belly. He's more inviting. Like the opportunities that come with it. You see it with Kaya. Just cook for your man, ladies. Just cook for your man. Cooking with Kaya. Hey, that shit hella catchy. I can't even lie. That shit hella catchy.